Looking to get more out of the calculator app on your iPhone? From quick gestures to hidden features, there are several tricks that can make calculations easier and faster. Here are the top 5 tips and tricks for using the calculator app on your iPhone. Trick 1. Swipe to delete a digit. Made a mistake in your calculations? You don't have to start over. Tap on the 3-line icon at the top left corner. Simply swipe left or right on the number display to delete the last digit entered. Each swipe removes one digit, so you can keep swiping to correct your input. Trick 2. Access the scientific calculator. Need more advanced functions like exponent or trigonometry? Open the calculator app. Tap on the calculator icon on the lower left corner. Tap on Scientific. This unlocks the scientific calculator, giving you access to functions like sine, cos, tan, log, and more. Trick 3. Copy and paste results. Quickly copy results for use in other apps. Tap and hold on to the displayed result to bring up the copy option. Tap Copy, then paste the result into apps like Notes, Messages, or Safari. Trick 4. Use Spotlight for simple calculations. You can use Spotlight Search for quick calculations without opening the calculator app. Swipe down on the bottom screen to access Spotlight Search. Type in your calculation, for example, 45 into 6 or 100 plus 250, and the result will appear instantly. Trick: repeat the last calculation. Want to repeat the last calculation without re-entering it? Open Control Center by swiping down from the right or up from the bottom on older iPhones. Tap the calculator icon and it will show the result of your last calculation. You can then reuse it or continue from where you left off. By using these tips, you can make the most of your iPhone's calculator app and perform calculations faster. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and stay tuned for the next video.